How to clear a flash drive on PC. So if you want to clear a flash drive on PC, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply insert your flash drive. Once you insert the flash drive on your PC, it will automatically open the USB drive windows. And here you will have your USB drive or disk of your flash drive. So what you need to do is before cleaning the flash drive, be sure that you have taken the backup of your USB drive on your PC. So select the important files of your USB drive and right click on it. From the drop down list, you need to simply go with the copy option. Here you will have copy. Go with copy and right click on an empty space on your desktop and then go with paste or just go with new. And under new, you need to go with folder and name this folder as backup and double click on the backup folder that you've just created and then right click on it and go with the paste option and it will start pasting it. So just wait for some time till it pastes all of the files. Now once you've pasted it, what you need to do is just go with your file explorer and just right click on your USB drive and go with show more options, and here you will have format option. Go with format and here you will have an option of quick format. You need to simply uncheck or unclick the option of quick format. And after that, you need to go with start and it will give you an alert that it will delete all of your files on your USB. So you just need to simply go with clear and this will start full formatting of your USB drive. And this process will be slower than the quick format option. The formatting will take a long time and will depend on your system configuration. And after it's completed, then it will clear all of your flash drive on your PC. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.